Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to blur a video in CapCut PC. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So assume that you want to blur the whole video, and in this way you guys have to just simply drag the footage to the CapCut timeline. So after dragging the footage to timeline, you guys have to simply go to this effect section, and in the effect section you guys have to just simply click on this video effects to increase the menu, and here you have to just simply select the lens. So in the lens section you guys have lots of blurs. You guys can adjust any of the blur according to your needs. There are lots of several blur like motion blur or simple blur or cinema blur. You guys can adjust according to your needs. So I'm just selecting the simple blur. So you have to just simply drag this effect to the footage in which you want to add blur, and you guys can see our blur has been added. And in the top right panel here you guys have to just simply adjust the slider to adjust the blur. You guys can increase the slider to increase the blur, or you guys can lower the slider to lower the blur. In the left side you guys can decrease the blur, and in the right side you guys can increase the blur. So after adjusting the blur you guys have to just simply click on this any of the timeline, and you guys can see our blur has been added. And what if you want to add the blur to specific portion? So in this way you guys have to just simply copy the footage, and by just pressing the control C on the keyboard and then press the control V. You guys can also copy or paste the footage. Then you guys have to just simply drag the above footage to the exact above to the first footage. Then after adjusting the footage you guys have to just simply go to the above footage, and in the above footage you guys have to just simply go to effect section and also drag the footage to the above section. So in the above section you guys can see our blurred variant, and in the below section you guys can see non-blur variant. So you guys have to just simply adjust the blur from here slider. So after adjusting the blur you guys have to just simply select the above footage and in which we have added blur. So you guys have to simply go to the video section. In the video section go to mask. So you guys have to simply tap on this, and in the mask you guys have to just simply select the specific shape in which you want to add blur. Assume that I'm selecting the circle. So after adjusting the circle you guys have to simply adjust the circle where you want to add on to the video. So you guys can see I have added the circle to the specific portion, and you guys can see the specific portion of the circle has been blurred. But what if your object has moving? So in the moving section you guys can see you guys have to simply adjust the keyframe according to your needs, and you guys can make the moving object blurry. So if you want to learn about keyframes you guys can watch my previous video. I have already posted it, and I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.